Everybody's got that food that they buy with the best intentions to use up, but it always sits in the fridge for way too long. And mushrooms are the biggest culprit for overbuying mushrooms. I always think, I'm going to do like a stroganoff, or I'll do some sort of duck salad or something. Like I'll do something great with them. And then they're just sat there. So how do I use up all my old mushrooms? I eat a week's worth of mushrooms on toast.
Begin by melting butter and oil in a pan. For 2 people, we want 250 grams of sliced mushrooms.
You can use whatever mushrooms you like, whether you want to go like woodland and something a bit exotic, or if you want to go for a classic button, you do you.
Get them good and golden.
The key is not to overload your pan, so let's do them in batches, get a nice bit of colour on each batch.
For this quantity of mushrooms, we're going to go in with 2 cloves of garlic. Give it a minute in the pan until it's nice and fragrant, and then 4 dollops of creme fraiche. Again, heat through for about 2 minutes. Season up and then add in some fresh parsley. This also works really well with tarragon. Meanwhile, I'm going to toast up some sourdough and take it to the next level with some ham hock on the base before I pour over those unctuous mushrooms. It also tastes really good with a poached egg on top. This is simple lunching, but feels like a luxury.